Welcome to We Can Engineering Solutions. This is our 48 trays pharmaceutical tray dryer. This machine is very useful for pharmaceutical powder drying. Trays are made of stainless steel SS 316 grade. Other parts are made of stainless steel SS 304 grade. Their electrical heater of 9 kilowatt. Heating range is ambient to 100 degrees centigrade. Electrical control panel is equipped with timer and temperature controller. There is auto cutoff mechanism to achieve desired temperature. Trays are made without any welding joints. Tray corners are round to facilitate easy cleaning. Dampers are provided at the top of tray dryer. Powerful blower is provided in such a way that it blows heated air very smoothly without any turbulence. Insulation jacket of 50 mm is provided to reduce or minimize heat loss. We use very dense glass wool as an insulation medium. Do contact us for any information on our number 97277 94689. Thank you.